Right. So if I go over here and hit this... Right. If I go back over here and hit this again... Lowers that... Raises that... Lowers that... Isn't quite what I wanted, is it? Let me try doing this. Right, that lowers that. That raises that. That lowers that. This is not what I intended at all. The idea is you've actually got to be on top of this switch. Wait. Hang on. I might have done it. I hope I have. Flip's sake. Yes. This is perfect. Press this. This is it. This is what I wanted. Yes, this is perfect. Yes. Okay, I gotta be honest. That is a really annoying puzzle. If anyone wants to figure out how I did it, please look back on the video, because even I can't figure out how I pulled that off. The other switch, by the way, just makes a rock fall on top of you. Okay. Right, first off, you can disappear from existence. That's him gone. Just get rid of this guy before he gets on my nerves even more than usual. Oh, come on! I want that bone dart! Yes, got it. Right, the idea for this is these here will produce steam that will hurt you. You will step on them when they're not flipping steaming. Aha. Now, I have found, I'm gonna be honest with you, it's much easier to jump on this one and then jump to that one, but unfortunately that let you screw me over. So let's try that again. Let's see, which way are they turning? Darn it! I didn't jump high enough. Try that again. There we go, got it. Now, what? I got the keys, we need that, that's brilliant. Now, you see that over there? We cannot get to that yet. Yeah, we cannot gain access to that. Because for that, we need to wait until we're a bit further in the game. And as you would suspect, what I'm doing right now, I have to get out of here. The only way out is through the way I came. So, as usual, I gotta jump to this, then jump to this. Now we can get out of here. Now be warned, don't fall in the pits. They are very annoying down there. Right, key has opened the door. Next room. As what I remember, there are several of these lamps we gotta put out. Where are they? There's another one. This, I believe, has lorry and nuts. I don't need them. I'm full already. That one, and the last one is actually on a platform over there. So now we can go flipping down here. There's a ladder. And he's doing it again! Standing on his tippy toes on the edge. Wow, that is flipping stupid, but whatever. Right, here's the thing about this. I want to get rid of that blooming thing up there first. It's a monster generator. Come on! There we go. Now to get rid of this blooming guy. Actually, no. On second thought, we won't get rid of him. Because we're going to go upwards. We're going to ignore the monsters that... Well, I'm not going to ignore you now that you hit me. Come on. Come on. He's literally caught on the monster. Wow, this game is really starting to get weird. Oh, okay, this is another really annoying one. Basically, there are 3 switches here. Each switch only activates for a certain number of length of time. You need to activate all 3 of them. We've got to activate that one first. Gonna run over here as quick as we can. Step on that one. Obviously get hit by that. And that one ran out. Okay. Note to self, I gotta knock that one down or else that's gonna cause me problems. Step on that. Oh, come on. Step on that. I'll be back. Yeah, this is a very fast-paced one. Darn it! No, it ran out as soon as I... Oh, that is so cheeky! Oh, come on! He got that. No, it did again! The timing of this is so awkward. Come on, don't get caught. Okay, this is getting ridiculous now. Right, let me try something different. I'm going to try doing this one. Then that one. I think I should have done this to begin with, actually, to be honest. No, it ran out. Right, that's a rip-off. So this one lasts the longest. See, the problem is, if you get hit even once... Well, that time actually getting hit helped me. Let me go through them with invincibility frames. So in other words, that actually helped me get through that. Okay, hang on. I can see this being a nuisance. Monster generators, let's destroy them. One down and one... There's only 2 here, thankfully. But it's very annoying to have them here. So I'm just doing my best to destroy them. There we go. Now you 2 can die without me having trouble. They're literally joined together almost. Oh, very good. Right, now it's your turn to die. There's one of these on either side and they need to disappear from existence. Come on! Okay, got rid of him. To the other side. Let's clobber him. Almost there. Aha. Okay, whatever. We don't need that. So we got another key. So now we gotta find where this key goes. So we know it's not in this room. Believe. The room you actually need to use the key is in here. No. Not in here. My mistake. Flips, like, get away, you monsters. I'm not interested in you. I know I said I wanted money, but in all honesty, I don't want to be overwhelmed by these flipping annoying pests. Right, firstly, we want to take out these monstrosities here. And that guy is just literally jumping up and down with that there. This monster is an idiot. Die. Okay. That now lowers that. As you can tell, that's where we use the key. So let's place the key in there. That then does this little adventurous game once again. So, let's get the flame ball going. Come on, this way. Like the first torch. Okay, there's one. The thing is, that's quite remarkable. Those spinning things there, they won't hurt. They won't be affected by the flipping. They won't get rid of the fireball. They're just there to get in your way. There we go. Now we can go up here. Now here's the next room. Do you see what I mean by this dungeon taking a long time? It gets so annoying. It just keeps going on and on. And I just fell. Man, I'm bad at this sometimes. And why do you have a giant spike ball there to get in the way? Okay, let's try that again. Oh, my flip, I didn't jump high enough. Okay, got past. Let's try this again. Come on. Flip's sake, stupid fireball. There's a green one over there that I gotta take advantage of. I didn't press it hard enough. Oh my flip, I'm getting pounded by these flipping. Oh, actually, I see what I better do, just be on the safe side. Element! I need to equip the pixie ring. Okay, and one more. Really? You knocked me off again? Come on, you flipping green flipping statue. Okay, wait for it. Oh. Oh my flip, you can't avoid it if you're on there. That is so flipping stupid. It is in a really dumb place. Wait for it. Jump and jump. Then what we want to do is turn it so it's facing that way. That's the way we want it facing. Okay, there's the key we need. Let's wait for another fireball to launch. Right, so that now has given us a platform. Now what we want to do next is go up here and go this way. Step on this. There's a bomb there. A lovely old bomb. And on the nearby is a fireball launcher. also a breakable block is nearby. Put all those together, you get hidden treasure. What you want to do is go here and just hold the bomb. Throw it and run for the hills. Or just run a few centimeters away. Phew, that is another puzzle piece acquired. I love it. Oh, didn't want to do that. I didn't want to do that. Okay, it's being a bit annoying. Let's use the key. Yes, I did. Okay. That there is going to be launching things at us. It's very dangerous. Bone darts. Actually, I'm going to be honest. When I played this before, I didn't think to break it. And nothing happened. Okay, it was just there as an annoyance. Okay. Now we step on this. Right. This puzzle. Right, what you want to do is hit this first. Now this statue's going to start moving. You want to get underneath it. Doesn't matter if you're not exactly in the center. Sorry, exactly underneath. Sorry, just be inside the gap. Doesn't matter where in the gap you are. Now it's going to keep doing this. There's going to be a few statues here. And each statue that moves is going to get faster. Okay, it's the last one now. And there we go. This gives us a panacea. Yeah, but as well as that, it gives us a way of getting up here. This is the reason you want to do this. Not just for the panacea, but to get up here. You get 500 gold, which is, for God's sake, a lovely amount. You also get a ladder to go up. Okay. Hang on a second. I'm just thought of something. Oh, okay, this is the room where... So this is where that led. Okay, that makes sense now. I actually wasn't sure where that door led. Just occurred to me, it goes to that flipping place there. So that's something. It goes to the room with all the spikes. Okay, fair enough. Just break these. Notice the statue there, the carving there. If we go this way, break these, we have here a clue of some kind of what to do in the next chamber. Are you guys ready for this? Because, to be honest guys, this has gone on for quite a while, this dungeon. So I think I am going to stop the recording here. In the next episode, we're going to go into that room and go and beat down whoever's in there and get ourselves our first of the 3 treasures. So, thank you all for watching. Might have more than one episode of this. It might take more than one video to put it together. So I'll see you guys next video.